Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. I'm coming on early because I'm heading for Bangladesh here in about 25 minutes. Do a quick one here. If it works, hopefully everything's working good. Let you know what's going on today. We have 11 o'clock to Bangladesh, which is pretty big, and there's a lot of them going on all the time. A lot of people ask me, Chris, can you go here? Can you go there? I can't get on all of them, guys. It's almost impossible to do. There's not enough hours in the day. I do try. I support Bangladesh every Thursday at 11 o'clock. I have the Caribbean on Tuesdays. I have kind of my favorite ones, and then I jump on to the Hamung, which is a really good one. Germany here and there, and I try to bounce on many, but it's not easy. We have a lot of leadership council, and we try to get support on each one. So what's going on today? At two important ones tonight. We have the 8 o'clock. Robin Noble, Pam Turner, Kevin Rutledge, myself, Marty, Dan, and Mike will be on that one. That is for guests. I'll have that in. All these links will be posted in the back office. One of them will be posted on my Facebook here. So if you want to get on those, that's great. Hey, Beth Ann, what's happening? Rock, what's happening? Alistra, how you doing? Quick one here before I get into Bangladesh. So at the 9 o'clock, we have a rapid fire tonight. Going to be a little different. We got to do some talking, explaining some things going on. That's always interesting. We get quite a few people. You know, it's like a discussion. Sometimes we have different things going on, but it's happening. Just to let you know, Ash is still traveling. He's going to be traveling for a while, and when he gets to certain destinations, he'll let us know. It's a founder thing, but it's also for security, like you've heard me talk about the last few days. Once again, welcome to all the people that's joined up the last couple days. Frap, you're killing it. You're still killing it. You're listening to my Plan B and everything that's going on there in the auto industry, which is, it's horrible, but those jobs are horrible. I know I did them. So get in this, get back with me, get with Beth Ann Nolan, ask her all about Onpassive. She'll give you an invite link. It's so simple to do, folks. It's so simple. Turn your life into something different, not just going to work every day. 1 year after we launch, you're going to have all kind of things that you're going to be able to do. Why? Because you'll be earning a residual income nonstop. It's all the time. Let me see some highs. Hey, Kathy, how you doing? Jacqueline Lewis, Fahir, what's happening? Not many people today because I am very early. Marty will be doing his live at 12 o'clock. I'm sure of it. I'm not sure if he's going to Bangladesh or not. I think he has a meeting. So, like I said, guys, we're very busy. I'm getting a lot of questions all night long about O-Founders. Let me answer that for you real quick, and you can stop sending me emails or texts. Ash said this month, October, O-Founders will come out. So be patient on that, guys. You just heard what he had to say. He came out many times. He did tell us last Wednesday prior on his last meeting that he will not be showing up on webinars. We won't be seeing him for a while because he will be traveling. It is a vacation for him, and it's a business vacation. This is his last, basically, hoorah before his life's going to change. Once we launch to the world, Ash Mafar is going to be known all over the place, and he's not going to have that normal life anymore, you know? So just give us the patience. We're keeping you informed. Anything Ash tells us, we let you know. A lot of it is not a secret, it's proprietary for the safety, for not just his family, but for the founders when they do meet him. But things are happening really fast. Onpassive is going. Like I said yesterday, Ash said you haven't seen nothing yet. We are signing people up like crazy still. We're still trying to reach out to as many countries as we can. We have every country. We just want to get deeper into those countries. So keep sharing. You can share anything I have on my Facebook. You can put your links. I don't put links on it, but you're more than welcome to use my lives with your links. I have no problem with that because I'm here to help you build the team. I know Red will be doing his live tomorrow and Friday. He's normally Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Sometimes he does a special one. Myself and Marty, we do it 5 days a week to try to keep you informed of what's going on. Sometimes we don't get a lot of information, guys, and that's okay. But I just want to let you know that it is happening. Ash is traveling. Onpassive is rolling. The wheels are flying. So it's pretty cool. Hey, Patricia Tan, Kathy, 3,125 sign up between the 19th and the 20th. Yeah, we've had major. There's Marty. What's happening? I'm doing it early, Marty, because I got to be on Bangladesh here in a couple minutes. Like I said, check out Marty. Now Red's on. Marty will be doing his live at 12 o'clock. He's been really good about being on time lately. He knows I love him to death. We mess with each other all the time. In the future, myself and Marty DeGarmo will be doing a live podcast, which is going to be a lot of fun, and we'll discuss that later. We'll have everyone on there. It'll be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun for us. So we have a lot of fun tearing each other up, but we do respect each other. We just want to make it entertaining. Sometimes you just got to be funny, guys. Everyone knows I'm the jokester, and when they're talking to me on the phone, I'm always laughing or cracking a joke or ripping on one of them. They all know. But Onpassive is the place to be right now. Michael Williams did an excellent 2-hour questions, ask him anything you want last night on the Julie Milo show. It was really good. He answered some pretty in-depth questions of what he could answer. A lot of you ask questions about things that we haven't gotten to yet, so we don't have those answers. We're not going to lie to you. We're going to tell you the truth. If we don't know the information, we'll come out and tell you, hey, that's how it is, guys. As soon as we know, you'll know, and that's how it works. But if you have a birthday today, I didn't check my birthday list today. Happy birthday to you. If you're sick, we're praying for you. Still throw out some prayers for Red's mom. I have not talked to Red today, but I know he's on here, but we're still praying for your mom, Red. Mark Booth, what's happening? Beth Ann Nolan. Hey, see that? Beth Ann Nolan, she works where I used to work. She's one of my team members, my family members, calling out Marty and Red. You guys rock. Jane is here. Where's Jane? Sherry Dursway, how you doing? Yeah, Jane is Red's wife. She's a lot of fun, very, very supportive of Red, and they make a beautiful couple, just like Dawn and Marty. Just really cool stuff. But guys, check this out. Get into it. We have an excellent public Q&A tonight at 8 o'clock. Like I said, the 9 o'clock is for private. You're going to want to get on that one. We got some things we want to tell you. Very, very important things. And it's really good to get plugged in. You don't have to get on every webinar like us crazy nuts. But it is good to check out one or two, and some of the ones I tell you are the best. Red Redford's yesterday, 2 o'clock on Wednesdays. I think it's 7 o'clock in the UK. One of the best presentations out there. He is also our Q&A man, and he knows everything. He's just a really smart guy. So get on this tonight. Hey, Shelly West. Kathy, Julia Milo, I'm sure it was recorded. I'm just not sure where it's at because it was a private founders. So I got to get going. I'm heading for Bangladesh here in 15 minutes. If you want to get on, I don't know if I think it's a public. I think that link's posted in the back office. When we get on there, we let the Bangladesh ask their questions. We ask that you don't raise your hand if you're in another state or country. We want to let Bangladesh, they have a lot of people on there. We want them to get out their questions. So give them a little respect. I try to respect every country I go to. When we go there, give them the respect. Let them ask their questions first. And if they run out of questions, you can jump on there and show your support for Bangladesh. Always fun. So, hey. That's for you, Bangladesh. I'll see you in a couple minutes. Red Marty, I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to catch Marty's live. $97, folks, to get into a multi-billion-dollar company right now. You'll be amazed at what it's going to do for you. And that's all I can tell you. I can't make you believe something. You got to come check it out and really see for yourself. Everyone I've signed up have got into it and said, wow. And then I have some people that said, Chris, let me know when it rips. That's great. I actually love people like that. But it's good to know some things about it. You really don't have to know everything about it because it's going to be all done for you. But, man, if you got questions, shoot them to me. If you have emails or passwords, emails that aren't working, I can usually whitelist those to support and we'll get them going again. And that basically just cleans the email up. I know I'm waiting just for one right now that was sent out to me. But if you have issues, guys, please double check all your accounts that you can get into the back office. All right, make sure you can get in. You know, we are changing over from GoFounders to O-Founders very soon here. We want to make sure everything's working for you. So if you have those issues, you can get back with me. PM me on my Facebook or email me. My email's in the back, Leadership Council. We have a lot of leaders that help out every day with people like that. So get in this. It's coming. I got to go to Bangladesh. I'll see you guys. I won't be on Marty's live. Boo-hoo, because I'll be on Bangladesh, but make sure you check out Marty at 12. He's always got something very, very interesting to say. We pass information on to each others. We stay in contact to try to stay updated, stay on the same page. That's what we do every single day. So it's good. So get with your teams. Make sure they're all on the same page. Answer the questions. You can all do this. 99% of you know exactly what Onpassive is. We're there to support and help you in any way we can as far as leadership. But become your own leader. It's your business. Support your teams. Give them the answers they need. If you're not sure, ask us. It's real simple to do. All right, I got to go. I love you all. Check out Marty. He's coming on at 12, which is an hour and 14 minutes. I'm sure he'll be on time now. And then you'll see Red tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, it's Red 11, Marty 12, and then me, whatever. I never give a time, so I'm never late. Marty loves that part. So you guys have a great day. Let me say hi, Linda. How you doing, Patricia, Jacqueline? Who am I missing? Mahudir, Ramona. Oh, that's a tough one. How you doing, buddy? Herberto Rivera. How you doing, my brother? All right, I think I got everybody. Helen, there's Helen. How you doing? Juanita, what's happening? Dulawur, Husan, how you doing? Am I missing anybody? Get with Beth Van Nolan Frapp. Plan B. Your plan A sucks. It ain't working. Get with Plan B, which is Onpassive, and it'll cover the rest of the alphabet. Just remember I said that. Get in this. It's coming. And if you ain't in this, you're going to miss the train, folks. Do not miss the train. It's already leaving the station. And PM me back if you want to know more about it. Anyone that shares this, ask them about it, please. They'll tell you all about it. All right, I got to go. I'll see y'all later. Ciao. Hey, Bangladesh, I'm coming.